Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And this video is going to be brought to you by Maniology.com. I do have a link down below. You're getting a nail stamp, nail polish, the nail gripping tool, I'm trying to get this out with my nails. You're getting the top coat and base coat or another set of nail polish in your kit. And you're going to get these stamping plates. I did receive 2 extra plates, but these are the stamping plates to create your design. And I will go to the website at the end of this video and your scraping card. The website at the end of this video so you can see all of the stamping plates that they have and get a better view of what they have to offer. Now you're also going to get your own stamping plate kit with an additional 10% off if you use my code Fearless Renee. Yes, I have a code for you guys as well, okay? I have the Making Waves Nail Starter Stamping Kit if you are interested in the one that I have. And then, like I said, I received 2 additional stamping plates here that I will be coming back and showing you guys how to use and what to do with them. Links and everything are going to be listed down below, okay? Now, keep in mind with these stamping kits, the one that I received is the 70s inspired nail stamping starter kit. The manicure set features a ton of wavy patterns, including lines and blobs of different widths and thickness for organic free flow movement in your manicures. You just paint your nails with your favorite nail polish colors and stamp with the pigmented polish for a bold, vibrant look. This kit includes the Making Wave stamping plate, the smudge-free top coat, the classic white, the classic white stamp and polish, the clear rectangular ice cube stamper, and the Maniology mini scraper card. Okay, I'm going to use this on this nail plate thing that I have down here down below. I am going to do it just regular without painting it with the white, but keep in mind you can do this over polish, and then they give you the smudge free top coat to put on top. So I definitely will be back to show you guys how I use these on my nails, but right now I wanted to go ahead and practice. There is a technique to this. You want to make sure that you move kind of fast. You want to make sure you hold the scraper card at a 45-degree angle, and then you're going to roll the stamper head on into the design. You transfer the stamp onto your nail using a smooth rolling motion. Okay, so I'm going to use this little finger thing that I have here so that we can have fun and play around with it. It was a lot of fun creating this video, you guys. A lot of fun. Quick and easy design, and then they give you the smudge free top coat. So I'm going to use the purple color first. I'm going to go in and paint something on my plate. And when you apply the polish, you want to make sure you move a generous amount of polish to the stamping plate. All right, and then you want to move quickly by scraping the design, and you see me scraping here with the card that they gave me. And then I'm going to go in with my stamper. I'm going to roll at a 45-degree angle. And then I'm going to get my little hand here and I'm going to place it here. Now, some of this is going to get on the other nail. Don't worry about it. It's a big stamper and these nails are close together. But here we go. We have some lines on the stamping plate. Let me give you guys a little bit of light. I'm going to take my tape. Now you can take a tape and get this excess polish off of the stamping plate. You also want to take alcohol or a polish remover and get the polish off of your stamping plate. So that's what I am doing here. I'm cleaning my plate. You want to clean it really well after each one. Make sure you clean and take care of your stamping plates. And then I'm going to go in and have some fun with another design. So I am taking my purple once again, and we're going to go in and scrape it off, roll it at a 45-degree angle, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on the nail. So there we go, scraping that off. And make sure you get it completely off of the stamping plate so you don't have any excess going onto your nail. But they do provide you with a little brush. There's a brush you can purchase, a tool brush, and it allows you to clean up any mess that you need to clean up or that you may have made with doing the stamping. So here we are. We got some swirls there. It got onto the other nail, don't mind that. But we have a perfect design there from the stamping plate. There it is. The light is working now. I do apologize. I have the light on here for you so that you can see the design came out perfectly, okay, from the stamping plate. All right, and then afterwards, like I said, you want to make sure that you clean your stamping plate. All right, we're going to go in and clean this off, and we're going to try another design. Keep in mind that nail stamping is a personalized way to personalize everyday look by stamping unique designs on your nails using a few nail stamping tools. And all you need to get started is the stamping plate, the stamping polish, and a stamper. And all of that comes in the kit. So now we're going to go ahead and try the yellow. I'm putting a lot of yellow because yellow can be kind of a thin color when you're doing designs and stuff like that. So I'm putting a lot of yellow. And then I'm going to go over here, scrape it off really good. And I'm going to show y'all an example of not getting it all off. So if you don't get it all off, when you roll your design on there, you're going to have additional stuff. So see how I got the sides and everything with my design? You want to make sure that you get all the excess off the stamping plate, so that all you have on the stamp is your design. And then that way, everything that you're rolling onto your nails is just only your design. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that off and show you guys the correct way to do it. And it's a technique, and you want to play around with it before you start it so you can get the hang of it. And then once you get the hang of it, I mean, stamp away. I mean, you can even get 3 or 4 different stamping plates and stamp your nails all different types of stamps. You guys know I don't like all my nails to be the same design. So I'm the type of person that would do different stamping designs on each nail. So I'm going to roll it at a 45-degree angle here. See, that's much better. Applying a little bit of pressure, not a lot of pressure, and then rolling it onto the finger roll here. And then I'm going to come in and show you guys the design that it created. There we go. I know that's yellow. It's kind of hard to see, but there we have creating our swirls and our designs. So once you get the hang of the technique, it is a very easy and simple technique to follow. I cannot wait to do like animals, and you use the tape to take it off your stamper. Keep your stamper clean. I take the polish off my stamper in between each one because I want to definitely save the value of my stamper. There are cleaning instructions for the plate. There are cleaning instructions for the stamper that come with every kit. Okay, and I'm getting it off of my nail plate here so I can show you guys some other designs. I'm going to go in with the green and show you guys the green. We did the purple, we did the yellow. I'm going to show you guys the green. All right, here we go. Cleaning everything off. I went in with the green polish, placing that down on the stamper. I'm going to scrape that off. I've cleaned my hand off, and there is the green. I got to take the light away because the green doesn't show up too good in the light. So here we are with the green. And that's the design that I used there. Overall, this was absolutely fun for me, and I hope you will click the link. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some of their stamping kits on the website, and also there is another dual-ended clear nail stamper and scraper card. With the length of my nails, I would probably order this stamper. It's longer and it would be easier for me to use because the stamper that I was sent, while it is very easy to use and I was able to accomplish what I needed to accomplish, it's kind of small for me to grip with the length of my nails. But just to let you know, if you are a long nail diva, there is another stamper that's longer, and it is also dual-ended for smaller and larger stamping. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the stamping kits they have. Halloween, Supernatural. They have, oh, sorry, give me one moment. Artist stamper kit. Look at the bees. That is so cute. They also have a organized stamping plate case. So if you order a lot of stamping plates, you can put them in this case and you will be able to get them out and do different stamping. And it's only $12. Don't forget, I am giving you a discount code down below. There is a fall stamping kit. There is a classic beauty with heart stamping kit. And here, oh, that's a beautiful dual-ended stamper with pink. Y'all know how I feel about pink and purple. Love it. All right, let's go look at some more stamping kits. Crystal Galaxy stamping kit. Also different color polishes, you guys. And here is a Galaxy Space nail stamping kit. We have the Proud Cat. If you're an animal lover, cats, dogs, Simply Classic. That one's nice. And this one is the Fringe Forever. So you can definitely go through their page because we would be here all day going through the amount of plates that they have. When I tell you guys there is something for everybody. Winter, letters, numbers, fireworks, fall. Oh, look at the penguins. There is something for everyone in this stamping kit page, okay? You can just sit here and scroll through things that you wouldn't even think they have. A comic strip. If you love coffee like I do, they have the Make Me Latte. Love a Latte. Everything. There's something for everyone in here, okay? There is something for everyone in here. Definitely click the link down below and scroll through. As you can see, there are 14 pages of stamping plates. So every single one of you people can find plates that you can use and plates that you would love. I'm going to continue to scroll through as well so that I can order future plates because this is a guaranteed easy way to get designs on your nails. Please subscribe, click the link, get the discount code, come back and let me know what you got. Show me your nails on Instagram. Tag me on Instagram, tag me on TikTok, and also tag the company. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next review.